up, YouTube? It's your girl Destiny. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because I promise I'm not gonna disappoint. So yeah, as y'all can see, I've already started putting some faux locks in my hair. So I'm just gonna show y'all how I go through this process and finish them up. So yeah, if you're interested in that, stay tuned so you can get your dose of this. Alright y'all, so this is going to be a quick video because I've already started and I have just these two final sections left for y'all. Alright, and Lonnie's tripping. So yeah, this is going to be a quick video because I'm almost finished. I just want to show y'all how I do these last two. So yeah, we're going to hop right in. This is how they look so far. And this is just a different method that I'm trying because last time when I did them, they didn't turn out how I imagined. So yeah, this way is very cute and simple and easy, and I was actually able to cover up my red. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I complete these last two. These are a little bit shorter and I'm not adding coronavirus, y'all. Alright y'all, now that I'm done dying from coughing, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. And I have this piece of hair. I'm reusing my hair from last time because it was still perfectly fine and I took it out. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all everything I do. So first, I went ahead and sectioned it off and put it in a rubber band. I am not going to twist it. I've seen people twist them and braid them, but I realized I was just wasting my time because what do I need braids for if it's already sectioned off? So yeah, I got my crochet and I've got my hair, and it is the Marley hair. I'm gonna attach it for y'all, but it's the same one I used last time. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the crochet needle through. Alright, once your crochet needle is through, you are going to grab your hair and just hook it onto the needle. And then once it's on, you're just going to close it and slide it through. Alright y'all, so you can see this little black piece, and I'm going to pull it up a little bit more because I want it shorter. And I'm just going to start wrapping this longer piece around my hair. Before I start wrapping, y'all, this part is important. When you're wrapping down, you want to make sure it's tight, but you also want to make sure you're overlapping, like as you're going down, you want to make sure like you're overlapping each piece of hair or whatever. So I'm going to show y'all, and I'm going to show you twice so that you can get it. So now I'm going to take my hair and the black hair, and I'm just going to hold these, and we're going to start wrapping around. So you want to hold it with one hand, and your hair will stay still and you are wrapping around. So I use my thumb to kind of keep the hair, holding it, and we're just going to wrap all the way down. Make sure you are not twisting your hair, but only wrapping it. Alright y'all, so now that I am getting closer to the bottom, I'm about to show y'all my little technique, and it's hopefully it comes across well on camera because I don't know how to explain it, but it's the way that I'm gonna like finish it up. And yeah, since I didn't add extra hair, I'm gonna show y'all. So I'm gonna wrap it around one more time, and then boom. So I have my piece of hair, and then I have the black piece of hair. So y'all look what I'm about to do. I'm gonna take my piece of hair and fold it up, and then I grabbed it with my finger. Now we're just gonna take this here. It's a little confusing, y'all. Wrap it around your finger, all the way around, and then double wrap it. And now we're just gonna start wrapping up. All right, y'all, so now that I only have this tiny black piece left, I'm just going to take it and wrap it around as many times as I can. And then for my sealing method, I'm just using a lighter. Go like that, tap, 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 and boom. So I'm gonna finish this one and then I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna finish this one and then I'm gonna show y'all. I didn't finish burning this one to seal it, and then I'm gonna do this one and show y'all the final look. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and start on my last one finally. Honestly, this didn't take long at all. It's about 7:50 now and I started at 4 o'clock, but I had to stop so many times for Lonnie, so right, Lonnie right here. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the same thing. I'm not gonna talk through this one. I'm just gonna show you how I go ahead and install this last faux loc. All right, y'all, so I just finished doing my last two. So obviously they are stiff because they be stiff when you first do them, but I'm gonna slick my edges just so I can come back and show y'all like how it look okay. All right, y'all, so this is the final look of these short faux locs, and honestly they're giving me a real natural vibe, so I like it. Let me show you the back. So in the front I did small parts, in the back I did get a little bit bigger, but yeah, I just did this quick little style, but I like it. It's really cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.